guys, welcome back to my channel. My name is Tina. In today's video we are going to be reviewing what I got here in this bag. And as you guys know, this is my Ipsy bag for the month of February. But before we jump right to it, please go ahead and hit that subscribe button and the bell right next to it. That way you can get notifications whenever I upload new videos, which I do a lot of beauty reviews and tutorials, and I upload every week, so definitely check out my past videos if you haven't done so. Alright, so Ipsy bag. So this is what the February month looks like. As you guys can see, it looks super sexy. It looks like a lingerie-ish type of a bag with this nice nude clothing and a lace going on. So when you open this, you are going to get 5 items. Some of them are full-size items, and some of them are travel size, and then some of them are sample size. So, and this is $10 a month, and I feel like this is the best way to kind of get out there and see what type of, branding you like. Especially if you don't have the money to shell out for, you get this delivered at your house for $10 a month. And like I said, you do get a lot of full-size and some sample sized items, travel sized items in here, and it could be hair, skin, makeup, and everything in between. So let's jump right to what I got here. Alright, so the first thing that I got here is from Beauty Basics, and this is a full size foiled eyeshadow. So this one is called Sweet Taffy. So this is what it looks like. So to me, in my opinion, this is more of a blush and not an eyeshadow, but okay. So this is what it looks like. So it is very nice as far as eyeshadow goes, but I don't feel like this is an actual foiled shadow. Like, it does not have enough shine to me. But I mean, it is a full size, so you can definitely figure out if this is something that you like or not by applying and all that stuff. It's a nice pinkish grapefruit type of shade. So the next one here is from Farrah Brushes, and this one is a large angled contour brush 30F. So this is what it looks like. It's a nice purple brush, and it feels so soft. It feels very luxurious, and I do love that little detailing going on the handle right there. So I do like that a lot, and this is what it looks like. And the brush itself is so soft, so I like that a lot. So the next one that I have here is a travel sized purifying pink clay mask from Sand and Sky, and this one is to detoxify and brighten the skin. So this is what it looks like. There's a teeny tiny thing in here just to kind of like, I guess, give you an idea of what it looks like and how it performs. So this is enough, I feel like, if you are trying to find a product or a mask that is going to be good for your skin. Sample size does not hurt. So this is what it looks like. Okay, and this one is another sample sized item, and this one is the Moisture Surge 72-hour auto replenishing hydrator. So this one is for all skin types, and this is what it looks like. I have tried this before, and I really am not sure how I feel about it. It's okay. I really don't like Clinique skin products for some reason. Like, they do kind of hurt my skin when I apply them. So, I mean, like, it's great to have, but I'll try it again just to see if I'm going to get a reaction. So, hopefully not. Alright, and the last product in here is from Pink Pewter collection, and this is a full-size dual-ended mascara. So it comes with a curling mascara and an extreme voluminous mascara. So I haven't tried this yet, but I'm looking forward to trying this. Again, you do get some full-size items in here and some travel-size items. So I feel like with this month, they did give a lot of great products in here. So, I mean, I'm looking forward to next month. And if you guys are interested in signing up for Ipsy, again, it's $10 a month. And I'll put the link down in the description box so you guys can sign up. And yeah, I mean, let me know if you have any of these, if you're interested in trying them out, and let me know. And I will see you guys in my next video. Bye.